This is how you make your online signature here in Photoshop. So let's go. First is you need to take a photo of your signature in any kind of paper, and then crop the signature that you want to be edited. Alright, and then hit enter. Next is you need to go to channels and then click the red one. After that, you need to duplicate this channel. Alright, and then go to image, adjustment, curves, and then we need to get the curves that fit to our signature, and then hit OK. After that, you need to load this channel and then delete this channel, and then go back to our layers and then select inverse. After that, we need to get a solid color for our signature. You can choose any color you want. Alright, and then hit OK, and then delete the background layer, and we're done. After that, we need to save this as a PNG file. Alright, file name my online signature, so that we can use this in any documents online. For example, we will use our online signature here in Microsoft Word. Just click here and then insert picture, and then find the image that we saved earlier, which is our online signature. My online signature. Insert, then boom, we're done.